Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a very beautiful story written by one of my favorite authors, Ruskin Bond. The story named is The Blue Umbrella. This is a simple story yet very powerful. This story is about forgiveness, kindness, and how a small act of kindness can change someone's life. So this is very beautiful story. The story is about a young girl named Binia who lives with her mother and brother in a small village of Himachal Pradesh named Garhwal. This is a very poor family. Still, they have 2 cows. One day, Binia is grazing her cows in the field. Then she encounters some Japanese tourist. Actually, Himachal Pradesh, as we all know, that is a tourist place, tourist hub. Very often, visitors and tourists visit there to explore the beauty of that place. So, Binia met some visitors, Japanese tourists, and she gets the blue, silky, beautiful umbrella from the tourist by exchanging her leopard claws, that is a lucky leopard's claw pendant. The umbrella is very attractive. The blue umbrella is so attractive, so beautiful that it becomes the center of attraction in the village. Everyone admires it, and Binia always carry this blue umbrella wherever she goes in village. So everyone admires it just because of the beauty of umbrella. But some people in the village, they are jealous, and one of the shopkeeper, Ram Bharose, who is very jealous, who feels jealous of this blue umbrella and who desires actually this blue umbrella. He wants it because he thinks that he believes actually that if she keep this beautiful attractive umbrella in his shop, everyone attracts towards it, and they visit his shop by selling tea, by buying tea, because actually this is a tea shop. So this is the thinking of this old shopkeeper, Ram Bharose. So, and Ram Bharose has a servant, a young boy, that name is Rajaram. Out of greed, Ram Bharose encourages his servant Rajaram to steal this beautiful umbrella. But they fail. This incident, this truth comes out. Everyone knows about this incident, about this stealing, and the villagers become angry with Ram Bharose, and they don't trust on him, and they avoid his shop. No one comes to his shop now to buy his goods. Now Ram Bharose feels ashamed and lonely by seeing his miserable condition and sufferings. Binia feels sorry. Binia feels sad, feels sympathy. She shows sympathy and she forgives Ram Bharose, and even she gifts him the blue umbrella. Ram Bharose, by this act of kindness, he is so touched that he says sorry to Binia, and he realizes his mistakes, and even he changes himself to the honest and better person after this incident. And later in the end, he also gives a bear claw pendant to Binia as a gift. So this is the beautiful story, short story about Binia and the blue umbrella. But this story gives a lot of lessons. This story teaches us kindness, forgiveness, compassion, and how the small act of kindness can change someone's entire life. Actually, true happiness lies not in the material things. It lies in the goodness and honesty. True happiness comes out from a pure heart, not from the beautiful things we have. So this story gives a lot of message in our life. The story is short, but it has the valuable lessons. So if you like this story, this is a short story. If you like this story, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. I will come soon with a new inspiring story. Until then, take care, stay happy, and stay inspiring, and always be kind. Bye bye. Good night.